Hello and welcome to the first video on Vacuum for Fun's YouTube channel. I'm going to get right in with the Dyson V6, cleaning my bed and my chair. So let's see how this little Dyson V6, motorized brush head, is going to perform. As you can see, this bin is completely empty. Nothing's spinning inside of there. So let's start with the chair. Let's go. There we go. I don't know if it's normal to vacuum your chair, but hopefully I didn't get any wind noise from the mic. So let's check the bin. Nothing so far. Let's check on the other side. It looks like there's nothing so far which came out of that. Now here's the big one. My bed. Been vacuumed once before, ages ago. So we're going to see what this Dyson picks up. Let's turn it on for the first time. This is on a low setting, by the way. Oh, the lighting here is terrible. Oh, I saw something go in, so let's have a look. From that one line, we have got something. I can see it here, but can you see all that white? I don't know if it was there. I don't think it was, but there's whiteness around that. Also, there's some fluff. So, on the other side, it seems normal. Picked up some stuff. Let's carry on, eh? Oh wow, that's just half the bed. Look, all that fluff. And yep, that white stuff is definitely growing, and I do not want to tell you what that is. Warning, you might get grossed out by what is in this Dyson. That, my friends, is skin cells and dust mites. Let's move this here so you can hoover the rest. I usually spend my time on this side of the bed, so let's see. Whoa! I am disgusted. Look at all that fluff. That's not a lot of fluff, but from a bed which looked perfectly clean. Wow, look at all that grey, whitey. Sorry about that, camera ran out of SD card space. Anyway, so yeah, all those like that grey stuff is all skin cells. So let's go empty it. Oh, it's heavy. It's because it's got this floor attachment on. Ooh. See, now it's really light and I can take it wherever I want. So, let's set up the camera. Sorry about the cables. Can't really move them, unfortunately. You just have to deal with the cables, eh? So let's do this. Ready? Ready for the hell? Ooh, all those skin cells, eh? Perfect. have a Facebook page. It's Vacuum for Fun. I have a Snapchat, Vacuum for Fun. And I have Instagram, which is Vacuum for Fun. If you would like to go check them out. Now I brought up another attachment because I need to clean out another Hoover. Oh no, I've got into the brand. I need to stop saying Hoover. It's a vacuum cleaner. Okay, so let's get the bin up here. Woohoo! Oh dear. We need to put all that into the Dyson. But first, let's just clean out this. Don't know how well this is going to go. Let's just... Ooh, much on our bed. Here it is, the big one. Whoa, my lights are flashing. One second, let me go fix this. Ooh, epilepsy warning. Right. So alert, eh? Get it in there. Woo! Oh. Oh, we got something caught. Come on. I do these. Oh no! Oh well. Put his Trevor's attachment back on so we can catch any more. Oh dear. Oh no! Oh dear. Oh dear. Shouting out, stop it, Jacob! Stop it! Stop it, please! Please, you're cringing me! Because, well... Oh dear. Apparently we have still got... Wow! That is amazing! This has full suction power. Don't like Max is too loud, but wow. Oh, my lights are flashing. I don't think you can see it on camera, thank gosh. Wow. Oh wow. Do I dare empty this all over my bed? It probably doesn't even matter. Oh wow. Oh, whoa. Okay. That wasn't what I was expecting. That... Oh. Wow. Jeez. Let's not get anything else from here. Yummy. I eat out for breakfast. Ooh, wee. Might have to do emergency mode. Well, not in I like to call it emergency mode. It's not really, but just press this again. That's it. Watch it all fall out. Yum. Yum. One minute, guys. Now I can use this tool. Oh no, this one got caught again. That was useless. Right, well, let's clean this up out my bed. So just pop this tool on. Woo-wee. Ready? That's some agitation, boys. No one is sleeping on a pile of rubbish. Woo! Let's go empty, eh? Wait for a big Dyson empty. I'm not just going to be doing Dysons. I have a Miele to review and also have a Beldray. Oh dear. Look at all of that coming out from the middle cyclone section. Oh dear, shouldn't have done that. That was an accident. That means some dirt could have been trapped up inside the cyclone. Wow. There's so much. Oh, there we go. He's ready. And can't get it off. Oh God. Eek. It's gone everywhere. Oh no. It's gone everywhere, boys and girls. Lucky we have another vacuum cleaner in there, and then boop. Nice, very nice. So that was the Dyson V6 standard edition, just vacuuming, you know, some random dirt. Oh, hope you enjoyed. I can't get it on now. That's in, I think. Yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I just got a bit more mess to clean up now. I'm a dirty one, and apparently I got my bed dirty. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and tell me what vacuum to get next. I'm thinking of another Dyson, maybe a DC08 or a DC24 ball, possibly. I have a Miele C3 compact power line coming up soon, and I have a Beldray 2-in-1 stick vac corded coming up soon. I also have the full review of this Dyson coming up soon. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and you gotta do one thing, and it is to have fun vacuuming. Goodbye. Oh, and I forgot to say one thing. Would I recommend this cleaner? Would I recommend this cleaner? If you were to do some daily vacuuming, you know, I've never seen this filter get dirty at all. I recommend this cleaner for those daily vacuums. But we actually use this every day. And every week, even every 2 weeks, we use our big Miele. And this does a better job because this has a power head on it compared to the Miele, which has straight suction. So, again, do I recommend it? Wholeheartedly. This vac is brilliant. By a company which innovates so much. Again, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.